what can teacher do in multicultural education? So first of all, as a future educator, para sa iyo, what would be the help na mahatag kayo sa multicultural education? As a future educator, what would be the help that you can give to foster the multicultural education?
Make a classroom inclusive to all of the students.
Thank you. Diba? We all know what is multicultural education, right?
Yes.
One of the aims of multicultural education is to foster the learning of the students despite of the race, beliefs, backgrounds, or cultural backgrounds. So, so the first one is the language barrier. So coming from a different countries and living cities, children can speak the same language but never understand each other. This might be the influence of parents, environment, dialect, etc. So as you guys can remember, the topic of is Ria May about the language barrier in multicultural education, in which all of us, diba, my dialect is my mother tongue. So what can teachers do in language barrier? Of course, as a teacher, as a future educator, kita or tayo as a future educator, we should also consider that although we have this different different language or different mother tongue, we should also consider that we should hear that different students have this idea or have this kind of idea or experiences in which language nila yun yung parang nakakatulong sa kanila upang mas matuto pa sa isang bagay. Through the help of their language, as a future educator also, we should also understand that most of the students makatuon or makasagot kayo tungkol kay mas masakti nila through the mother tongue. So, as a future educator, consider sa niyo kung dili man kadayaw present at isa ka student sa English, you can consider their mother tongue. Although di mo masabtan as a teacher, pero i-open mo sa English class bitaw na i-engage isab sila na although di mo masabtan ang ilang language, mag-accept mo sa kan mo sa pag-aralan para mas maka-engage ka sa inyong students. So, yes?
Yes.
Next is the awareness of biases. So, can you guys
Teachers should understand they may be working with students from many backgrounds who may be biased
It's one out of cultural, racial, ethnic, and religious reasons. To cultivate safe and productive learning environments, teachers should be aware of any bias toward.
Okay, so like for example, sa ako lang na culture, way ako lang in race. Tapos series ka pa na, right, utang halaman, Aita. Wali Aita. Or ano pa lang yung mga culture, manok or something. So, ako as ko, here, diba na Filipino, mas ginakuan ako ng educator dito, mas ginataga ng pagtagay, unlike Chinese kampana. So, sa ganyang pangyayari, sa ganyang pagkakataon, you as a educator, you must also consider that every students have different race, diba? So, you should be aware of the biases. Hindi mo dapat pinapakita sa mga estudyante na ikaw ay isang na teacher na kung saan mas pinapakura mo lamang yung mga estudyante na kung saan kasing skin color mo, kasing ka-level, o yan, ka-level. Unlike sa mga students na lahian Value life experiences. Can you guys read?
It is important for educators to value their students' experiences. Students gain unique perspective to the classroom and can share their own stories or those of family members.
Allowing students to share these experiences with their classmates and accomplish at least 2 goals. Validation for the students, share similar, and introducing students to a new perspective.
You guys, yeah, you can experience someone and open forum sa iyo classmates with your teachers. So, as a educator or as a teacher, dapat hindi mo lang parang ikaw lang dito as educator ang mag-share sa ila sa inyong mga life experiences. Dapat ang mga teacher ay mga students also dapat i-engage mo para mag-open sila sa ilang mga personal experiences para aware kita na aware ang educator, aware ang teachers na yung ba na bata ba ito so dapat ginatagan mo siya ginatagan kita nilang pagtagan ng mga students or ginatagan mo siya ng importance na it is really important to open up sa isa ka community which is the classroom ang mga life or personal experiences ng students para para na din malaman ng iyong mga klase na bawat isa sa atin ay may iba't ibang kwento sa likod ng ating sa likod ng ating buhay. Next is understanding learning style. Teacher can promote comfortable learning by teaching others to learn. It can be learning by adapting learning. Some students begin with learners, for example, diba, multicultural education is composed also of as a teacher, you can bright sa kinesthetic something may mga bata sa nalista sa mga extracurricular. So as a educator, you should be aware that every student has different learning style in which mas meto sila mas meto sila capable, mas meto sila makumbita. Teacher can emphasize the importance of different cultural backgrounds presented in the classroom. They highlight the study of people in their core academic context. So, can give example here in word sa edukten. Okay. Number 4 daw.
Sports. Oh, sports. Extracurricular activities.
Intramurals. Okay, so for example, you're in party. Students might differentiate, may Malayan, mga ethnic groups na to create or to celebrate multiculturalism. It is important when you as a educator, you must i-invite mo dito sila para sa makita niya o mapasayon mo sa ila ang iyong history. So as a educator, dapat you are open to engage in that event, in a particular event, especially that event, country celebration and multiculturalism. Example sa mga, for example, yung mga ethnic group na mag-visit ng school or mga estudyante na or pwede sa you as educator, magiging kita ng chance na iyan na student, pwede siya magpakita ng iyang talent. So, nuloy ko sa story nila. For example, Mandaya siya. Di ba, ang Mandaya ko may mga cultural dances. So, as a Mandaya, as a teacher, you can give that student na pwede ka mag-perform ng about sa sayaw, mga culture, something, history ka na about Mandaya. Yes? Yes. What? That's Last piece, practice cultural sensitivity. Can you please?
It's equally important to make sure you're being sensitive to everyone's culture, belief, and language concern. Teachers should take time to understand each other the use and use to design your lesson plan.
Okay, so the main point of this practice social sensitivity is the word respect. Diba? The main point of this statement is the word respect. As a teacher, you should respect each student's different race So, as a teacher also, dapat open ka kita mo dawat ng mga dapat open ka mo dawat ng suggestion. Although, kuan siya. I think although, especially if that suggestion can get better society, especially in school. Diba as a educator, as a teacher, you should be open to all the students. If that student, diba, she is an ethnic person or may ethnic dito siya na race. Tapos gusto niya na mag-open or mag-suggest ng mga pwede bitawin mo sa isa kasimulahan at isa ka event ng iyo classroom. So sa teacher, from that, gina-embrace sila as diversity. As a diverse, gina-embrace sila nila race na nakikita ng ethnic of at ilang cultural background. So, yes! Contribution to pastor to develop the multiculturalism in the country. Miss,
suggest programs that that can help every students, especially in having different races, just like kanang mga open forum about sa mga or seminars para kita ma-aware ang mga tanan students about the diversity, especially sa mga condition sa individual and also the beliefs para in order para mawala pa ang mga stereotypes and other discrimination to every student.
Yes, thank you, Miss Jemima. Okay, last question. Do you think that teachers can do? Do you think teachers can really do much better in multiculturalism? Or do you guys believe that with the help of teachers, mas in multiculturalism? Why? Okay, why, Miss Paloma?
Can you repeat the question?
Do you believe that teachers would be a bigger help to foster the multiculturalism?
Yes, of course. Teachers can help the students and teachers can help to spread, foster multiculturalism. Teachers are given the job to instill knowledge. So they are the ones who instill knowledge to students, put the students in their mind and siyempre, nakakatulong ang mga na mas mapalagay na mas maintindihan ka ng mga mag-aaral. So, para magkaroon ng respeto, kaalaman, at sa gayon, hindi man lamang sa loob ng paaralan, kundi pati na rin sa labas ng paaralan. Ito ay kanilang magagamit, hindi lamang sa kasalukuyan sa loob ng paaralan. Magagamit nila ito sa kasalukuyan o sa hinaharap. Dahil hindi naman natin alam kahit sila ay mag-aaral. Mag-aaral din, sila man ay magiging guro sa susunod, kung sila man ay magiging sa ano man ang kanilang mga plano sa buhay. At least, kung mamagitan ng isang guro, yung nagbibigay ng mga kaalaman sa mga mag-aaral, ito ay kanilang magagamit.
Yes! Okay. Lastly, of course, multiculturalism here in the Philippines is all about respect. We have multiculturalism because everyone wants to have respect despite of the race, ethnicity, and historical background. That's all. Yay! Number 6, constant reminder. Teachers can promote predictable learning by being aware of their students' various learning styles, which can be influenced by their backgrounds and create classrooms with students. Again, teachers can being aware of the various learning styles, which can be influenced by their backgrounds and making the classroom grow, making them more Number 7. Teachers can emphasize the importance of different cultural backgrounds represented in the classroom through lessons and assignments. Specific tasks. Again, number 7. Teachers can emphasize the importance of different cultural backgrounds represented in the classroom and
Number 8.
Coming from different countries and in this district, children can speak the same language but never understand each other. Again, again.
Okay, how many dozen steering lands that supports equal
Coming from different
participation?
countries, and if you sit in this grade, children can speak the same language but never understand each other.
Okay, what are your observations? So, this is natin sa elementary and high
Number
school.
9. Ay, yung alternate Number 9. Students' experiences. Number 9, it's important for educators to value your students' experiences.
All the other students is
Last, fill in the blank. What can blank do in multicultural education? What can blank do in multicultural education? Mona?
That's a very common, like, in the dark. What's the dark?
Manda.